everyone, I'm Manisha Bhatt from CADD CENTRE RUDRAPUR. I'm mechanical faculty over here. Today we are just going to take the experience of one of our student who is from USA. So KISLAYA, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm KISLAYA. I'm doing my undergrad from Auburn University in USA. I'm doing it in mechanical engineering.
Okay KISLAYA, I just want to know about your future plan regarding your studies, what you are doing here.
Right now I'm in my third year. That's called junior year. I'm trying to get into some of the very good MNCs to work there.
Okay.
I'm trying to get a job basically in USA.
Okay, so
But right now I'm studying. So
okay, basically your future plan is to do job in the designing field.
yeah, it
Okay,
is.
I just want to know a little question. Why you choose CADD CENTRE RUDRAPUR?
Okay, so I was visiting my parents here. I'm basically from Rudrapur. I study in USA. But after spending 3 years over there in USA, I realized that knowing these CAD softwares for mechanical engineers is very important. And I couldn't find anything better than CAD Center. It's really good center.
Okay, I
To
just
study.
want to know that what motivates you to take admission over there? Like when you visited over there, some things must have been there which motivate
Okay,
you.
so the very first day, I just came here and talked to the owner, and then later, the next day, I just took a revision class, like for 1 hour with one of the faculties,
That's basically your demo
Tiwari
class.
sir, Shivam, yeah, the demo class. So Tiwari sir, and I really realized that it's really good. The way he was explaining things was so logical. I mean, I'm a slow learner basically. I don't learn super quick, so I need time, step by step. So, and he was going step by step, and
Okay.
I really realized that okay, this could be it. Like it
Okay.
is really good.
That demo inspire you basically to take admission over there.
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, the demo made me realize that okay, Shivam Tiwari sir who was teaching right at that moment, I felt that way that I should
Okay.
go with it.
If I talk about the today's scenario, like that is a digital world, right?
Mhm.
In that you can learn this software from online also. Why do you choose to come here and learn this software rather than
I mean,
online?
I tried it online as well. I've been trying. I'm there in USA from 3 years, and from the very first semester we needed all these softwares that I'm learning it right now. But so the only way to learn there was doing it online, right? So I also chose the online way. But later after so firstly you need to be in present with the teacher you're studying, right? The teacher should be good, right? And so if you have, okay, for example, when I was having some questions, I couldn't get the answers right at that moment. So as time passes, you lose a lot of motivation to ask the question again. Like it's like you have to email them questions and they give you the reply. And it takes time. Also, if the teacher is present here and a good teacher, if I'm talking about a good teacher, like teachers here is present in front of you, then definitely it's a lot better than online class.
Okay, that means it's really required to get the
It
knowledge.
is a definite requirement. It is a
Okay.
definite requirement, yeah.
Okay, do you really think that software helps you in your future for that designing and all? You are learning the software from college also.
So yeah, so these softwares that I'm learning here, yes, I was learning it in college as well, but I was supposed to do that in 3 months, and like I said, I'm a slow learner, and also, so these softwares are basically really the only need. You're not gonna learn mathematics. You don't have to do mathematics in industry. You don't have to deal with Newton's law in industries. All you need to do in a designing industry is design, right? And you cannot design it with hand, right? You need to know some softwares, and these softwares are the basic need, like SolidWorks that we teach we study here, and then CATIA, and then AutoCAD. These are like the basic needs of working as a mechanical engineer or any engineer right now in today's world. And 5 years from now, it's gonna be the requirement. It is requirement right now as well.
Okay, I just want to know how many software in which you have taken admission.
4.
Oh, like
AutoCAD, CATIA kinematics, and Fences.
okay, after learning one software, it gives you surety that you took
I
the
sh- yeah.
right decision and all.
Right. So yeah, so the first software that I did was AutoCAD, right? It was a basic software and a basic need to go further, right? And again, Shivam Tiwari sir taught me that class, and I really am impressed from CADD Center. I also so before this I was doing computer science for one semester, and I came to Rudrapur again like last year, and I was doing it from some other institute, and I really was not like, it wasn't up to the mark, so I just left computer science. I thought that okay, this is not my type, like I'm not a computer science guy. But then I was thinking the same for mechanical engineering right now. But as soon as I joined CADD Center and I studied this first software, AutoCAD, that made me realize from your teachers. So it made me realize, yeah.
Okay. As you said, you have taken admission in 4 courses, right? There is necessity to do all the courses, or you can gain nothing from the one software only. There is any difference between these all or not?
Definitely there is. You cannot do some, like, if a drawing gets complicated, you cannot do it with AutoCAD, right? AutoCAD is just for like 2D drawings. You go to CADIA for some drawings. Also, a lot of industries don't take like CADIA guys. You need to know like a good software. Like right now I'm doing, no, I meant a lot of industries don't take AutoCAD guys. They do take CADIA guys. Like CADIA is the 3D version of AutoCAD, kind of. I'm not saying exactly, but kind of. Also, in every MNC you need a 3D drawing software like CADIA. MNC requires CADIA. I'm pretty sure a lot of so I have visited a lot of different industries like Hyundai, Ford, and I know in Tesla Motors they use all these softwares. CADIA for sure.
Okay, I honestly want a question from your side, right? What study you have done before coming here? You must have done a study about center, about institute.
I had a friend who studied from here, and the only person came in my mind was this person. So I called him. I was like, hey, I'm trying to learn these softwares, and I've seen your pictures in all these softwares. Where did you get it from? So he said that there's this CADD center in Rudrapur. You should definitely go there. So I searched about it, and I got to know that it's like not just in India or not just in Rudrapur, it's like all over the India, all over the continent, all over the world. And also the faculty members are, so I cannot just go with the study, right? I asked him and he was like, yeah, you're gonna learn a lot, they are very good, there are very good faculty members, so, but I cannot rely on that, right? So I came here, visited here again, so
Okay, being an USA student, like what he said, you realize the same or there is difference? What he explained you about that?
The teachers.
Your friend. You feel the same after coming here or not? It is different.
No, it is actually better. I mean, different, but in a better way. He said, so when I was having a call conversation with him, and over the call he was explaining me, okay, it is really good. So I was like, okay, it's gonna be okay, I can feel it, okay. But then I came here, as soon as I came here, I was still procrastinating. I thought that it's gonna be like the same way. It's not gonna be like, it's gonna be okay. I won't say not good, but I'll say okay. But then suddenly one day I was like, okay, let's try it. I came here, I saw it, and it was really good, really impressive.
Okay, I just want to know what study material you get from there, right? It is really useful for you or not?
The study materials from
Yeah,
CAD.
yeah, exactly. There are many students which do not provide the study material, do not provide the lifetime membership.
Okay, yeah, this thing is a plus. This thing is definitely a plus point, that once you learn and then suppose you're out of reach from these softwares from like long time, and if you want to get back to it and revise it, but then you forget something, you can, this thing of CADD Center, that you can come back here and start over again and revise everything here, is very, very, very good. It's really gonna be helpful for everyone. I mean, if I come in December and if I'm not using KD or anything from long time, and if I want to revise it, it's really good. Also, the books that you provide have a lot of, like, has everything that you need.
Okay, you can say that is the USP of that.
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Okay. What do you think about the industry demand of these software?
If you go for, okay, so from as far as I know, I'll say if you go for any MNC all around the world, no one, I don't think so there's any industry who doesn't use these softwares. You definitely need firstly, software is a need in today's world, you know, right? And these softwares that you are providing here are the ones that are used, that are definitely used in MNCs. Like I can give you an example. Like some of the industries here in India, they use SolidWorks for sure. Some of big industries, some of mechanical engineering big industries, all around the world uses KTR.
Definitely.
Yeah, and also some use NX as well.
Okay, in word, what's your experience over there?
In one word,
Yeah.
I would say great.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kislay.
Thank you.